Bloody hell, it's hot in here. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be like a get ready with me for school, because you best believe I don't want to turn up to school looking like this. And as much as I don't want to turn up to school looking like this, it kind of is the reality. 70% of the mornings, you maybe got your eye on a painting at school. It's time to stop! That is the most British millennial thing that's ever come out of my mouth. This video is also in collaboration with glassesusa.com. One thing that I think is great for school is if you don't have time to put on that mascara or do your brows, throw on a pair of glasses and it literally like covers that mess. Besides the fact that if you're visually impaired, they will probably help. Glassesusa.com reached out to me and asked if I would like to receive a few frames to show you and share with you. They have a really cool feature on their website where you can actually upload a photo of yourself and then it puts the glasses over your face so you can see what they look like on you. Glassesusa.com offer over 4,000 styles of glasses, and they have brands like Ray-Ban, Oakley, Gucci, Armani and so many more. You can add any prescription to your glasses or just simply have them as fashion glasses if you like the look of glasses but you don't actually need them. It's actually, my boyfriend's got a really weird thing about going to the opticians. It's like he loves going to the opticians and having his face touched, or I don't know. And you're always guaranteed to get a really good offer on the first pair of glasses that you do buy. With any purchase you make, you also get 365-day year warranty, so if anything goes wrong with the glasses, they will cover that, and you also have 14 days to decide if you like them or not, and you can return them with no questions asked. And a complete pair of glasses, so that's like the frame and the lens, will start at only $30, and then any basic prescriptions are free on top of that. So I'm just going to show you some of my favourites. This pair here are so cute. Also too, if you're actually wondering as to the frames of them, I will have them all linked in the description box down below. I feel like a Japanese student in these, and I wish I was a Japanese student because their style is sick. These are the bad boys. This beautiful, beautiful pair of Ray-Bans. Summer, come at me. The glasses all come packed really nicely too. You get a little lens cleaner inside and a glasses case. This is what these ones look like. They're a gorgeous tortoise shell. These ones are sick. They remind me of my friend Byron's glasses. They've got a clear frame so they'd kind of suit any look because they're clear, so they're transparent. And last, ow, I shot my finger in the case. And last but not least, I think these are probably my favourite. I look like someone out of the Matrix. I think I might even be wearing these for a Halloween costume. So sick, I love them. So yeah, if you would like to check out glassesusa.com, I will have all their links as well as all the links to these glasses in the description box down below. Anyway, let's get started with the video because I know that's what you all want to see. So I always get questions on how I get my skin clear, and I wear foundation in the beginning of every video. Honestly, my skin is not clear at all. In fact, it's like really quite bad at the moment. Woo, we love hormones. For foundation today, I mixed the EX1 and Maybelline foundations together and it made a pretty good shade. I mean, you can still see some blemishes, but I ain't trying to fool a bitch. I know I'm ugly. So the next thing I'm going to do is move on to... you know the drill with eyebrows. Plain brown eyeshadow from a makeup palette that literally probably is breeding a new disease. What I do for my eyebrows, brush them up and I try and fill them in to be quite straight, and I do not fill them into their natural shape at all. Why? Because I really don't like my eyebrows. Wow, I love it when my family come upstairs so they can hear me talking to myself like a psychotic maniac. Who's been watching the new Shane Dawson, Jake Paul series? Because sister shook. Honestly, I just watched the Alyssa Violet one today. The fact that him and Alyssa were never even together, don't know how to feel about that. Not gonna lie though, like I'm not really joining sides of anyone. I think Alyssa did naughty things and I think Jake did naughty things and I think Logan's done naughty things. I don't think any of them are great people, to be honest. But let me know what you think of it down below. Kind of like John Cookie and bloody hell. Now I'm gonna go in with a concealer brush actually, and this is something I never do. And I'll probably end up regretting it, but we out here living life on the edge, ladies. Oh my god, this smells like paint. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do it on a brush, not a doe foot, but Because this concealer is thick AF, I'm gonna blend it out this literally like as soon as I put it on. There's this girl on my course and her brows are always sick. They're like so carved and I'm like, whoa, every day.
Wow.
She comes in looking so good. She wears lashes every day. Her brows are so carved. Her skin is like flawless and my potato ass is sat next to her like, God. That was disgusting. Disgusting! Do you know what? We're going to go in with a bit of pink. We're gonna do it. We're really going to go there. I'm taking the NYX blush in Pinched, which of course is broken, just like everything else in my life, including my soul. And take it on a little blending brush and just take it through my crease. That is so cute. If you don't really want to put a pink on your eyes or your school are a lot more strict, you can always just go in with a bronzer. Or you can just use the natural tiredness of your eyes because school never give you a break and expect you to never sleep. I mean, that can act as eyeshadow. No tea, no shade, but I am just going to go in with a little bit of bronzer to bronze this horrific.
Don't be fucking rude.
Do I even have any bronzer here? Well, Alice, it appears I don't. I'm just going to use this Sephora Baked Bronzer. Well, it's a trio, but no one asked. And I'm going to hold my brush at the end and do the makeup artist thing of it barely touching your face. I literally cannot see what I'm doing. My mirror is so far away from me. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of blusher. For this I'm going to use that NYX blush. I'm just like you, boy. Now I'm going to take a powder, just like translucent powder. If you've watched my what's in my bag. If you've watched my, oh my god, I did it again. If you've watched my if you've watched my what's in my bag, got there in the end, then you'll understand this situation, and I'm not going to go into it again. Go and click on my other video and give me ad revenue. I'm just going to powder my T-zone, make sure my makeup is locked into place. Sister, snap.
Hi, sister. It's only 'cause I miss you.
And there we are all set into place. Thank you. Oh my god, I never put mascara on. What the heck? Oh, I really itchy nose. Looks like I'm picking my nose every time, but I promise you I'm not. Mascara, as always, I'm just using the Maybelline Lash Sensational, which literally is a holy grail. Bridal day. I can't talk. Ride or die favourite mascara in the whole world. Also, what is everyone going as for Halloween? I haven't actually done any Halloween tutorials simply because, if I'm being honest, everything has been done and it's been done like a lot more creatively than I probably could do it. So I just feel like it's pointless for me to upload Halloween videos when you've got people like Nikki Tutorials or James Charles and all those people uploading them. You know what I mean? I don't know, but if there's something you're really desperate to see, then let me know. I am going to be filming a Halloween stash vlog because I'm actually going out on Halloween night. We'll see how many tequila shots I have. Talking of tequila shots, I am really, well, I'm not that nearly 18. I'm closer, well, obviously I'm getting closer, stupid thing to say. I'm getting closer to being 18. My birthday is on the 5th of February. It's a bit exciting. I'm so excited. I'm already thinking about what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna have a night out clubbing. I'm gonna have one night out in Cheltenham and then one night out in London. So if you live in London, preferably clubs around the south part of London. I think that's where I'm going out. I don't know. Then please do let me know because I need some nice places. Kind of want to go to Ministry of Sound. I feel like that would be kind of cool. I'm going to use this Nip and Fab matte liquid lipstick, which I've never actually used before. So first impressions, girlies. Okay, it's literally the colour of my lips. That is the end of my video. I cannot afford to have lipstick on my teeth. Not this time, sweetheart. That's the end of my video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I'm just gonna put on a little pair of glasses. I'm gonna put on these ones because I think they're cute. Also, excuse my hair. It's a situation that cannot be bothered to deal with right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. These, how cute, hide a multitude of sins, and they also hide the fact that this makeup only took me 10 minutes and probably is not very good. So that is the end of my video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can You can subscribe if you would like to see more of me, as well as leaving requests and comments in the comment section down below. I have all my social medias listed in the description box down below, as well as all the links to everything I spoke about with glassesusa.com. I would never work with a brand that I don't love. I don't need to say that. You all know that. I love you all so much, and I will see you all very soon. Bye! Time to get a thumbnail, bitch.